Come inside, you know.
Let me see. Yes.
I'm on the drawing.
Yes, I.
Yes,
Alright. Yes, sir.
Cocoa yam. Cocoa and yam. Natural stuff.
Natural. See that one? So see the yam them that's over, so cocoa, plantain, and then you have your okra and your callaloo. Yeah. Soft yam.
Olive oil.
Try it and the olive oil, can't forget it.
Yeah, man.
Alright. Looks good, it smells really good to guys, trust me.
But never.
Smells really good. Alright, so it smells like something that my dad used to cook when I was younger. Same type of smell. So starting off with the cocoa. Yo, it smells really good.
I am.
Oh yeah.
Picture? Mm-hmm.
I love the cocoa.
I never eat cocoa yet, you know.
Really?
But I start to eat cocoa now. I never eat cocoa. Never like cocoa.
Alright.
I never like cocoa.
The callaloo
But I never
has
like
good
cocoa.
flavor,
Never like
but it's
cocoa.
almost like there is salt in there and there's no salt in there. That's the type of vibe I get in. Like, it's not overpowering. Normally when people cook callaloo, like, you can just tell like the whole heap of saltiness in it, but like this, it's just a perfect blend of seasonings. Like the herbs them in there is just really good.
Last time I never eat cocoa and pepper. Just take up back and eat now.
Alright, I'm going to the plantain. It's an interesting part. This plantain was cooked like a banana. I've never had that before. And it's good. It's the same type of texture, same type of taste. Wow. And now to the yam. This is probably the softest yam I've ever had. As in, the yam has a texture of almost like an Irish potato. Wow. This is really good. Like, the dish is very simplistic, but just everything in there you can feel, you can just feel like it's yours, an organic dish. You can tell there's no going around it, there's no if, there's no but, no maybe. I mean, if you're the kind of person who just is dying for salt or whatever, then yeah, you might want to sprinkle some salt on top of it. But for me, it's the perfect balance of somebody who is thinking of maybe, you know, having a healthier diet and at the same time having good flavor. It's really good. I eat. Hot. I see you spell sugar. Spell sugar.
Sugar?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Yeah?
You.
Mm-hmm. Sugar.
Oh, I'm fine. S-U-G.
Mm-hmm.
What?
R. Sugar. R. S-U-G. R. R. No, A-R. Crime scene. Artie. Yeah, done it, man.
No man, yeah, big one on there.
Let me tell you guys, that was definitely an Ital dish. Like, again, I don't know if salt is in there, but you're not really tasting any much of a saltiness, but it's not very bland. Still pretty good. If I was to rate this dish, I'm giving it a 9 out of 10, like, no doubt. Everything in there was a bit different. Again, I've never had green plantains before, as in boiled out and whatever. That was like a pleasant surprise. Reminded of my banana, nonetheless. The yam was soft as yellow yam I've ever had, or white yam, whatever you want to call it, was super soft. Cocoa was good, callaloo was good as well. Like, everything was just made with such expertise. Like, for example, you know, when you cut the callaloo that big, like, you definitely don't want it to be too hard. Like, the stems, you don't want it to be too hard, but it was like perfectly, the texture was so perfect. And on a simplistic outdoor stove, like, when you pull it off, years of practicing, but yo, I enjoy that dish so much. I do wish, though, I was saying to you that I wish to have like the lobster dish, like the lobster rundown, but yeah, we'd have to tell him from before so we could you know, arrange to buy lobster, whatever the case is. But I'm already waiting for tomorrow's breakfast, like whatever that is. Like, may I wait for it? Like, I'm gonna just sit back here and just relax the rest of the evening. I don't even know. Oh, one case in point, you guys might realize that I had bun and cheese not even 30 minutes before the meal. I was hungry, but I kind of did that purposefully because, you know, I never wanted to eat and eat in a hungry belly, you know, where everything is just heightened. I ate on a full stomach, and wow. So far, trust me, like, if you are second guessing it or you're thinking about it, just book it. Again, if you're okay with just a very simplistic type of vibe, you know, like hearing the, I don't even know what those sounds are. I think some of them are frogs, some of them are crickets or something like that. Crickets. If you're okay with listening to crickets in the night, no problem. Maybe a few bugs might be flying around, but like, it's just a vibe.
I think green shit like Christmas time.
It's sorrel tea?
No.
Just sorrel?
Yeah, just the juice, party plate. Just the juice.
Thank you.
Yeah, man.
So, Mokko say I'm gonna deal up with some sorrel tea, with some ginger. Yo man, this is Jamaican hospitality, you understand? You know, I think my favorite part is like anything that he can provide, you can just get it from the farm, like just straight up.
Oh, one that bug side of you.
Where?
Right there.
Here?
You see that pass, I go like this. Look over from that scanner there. Watch out, over the sun. See them?
Hey, Rat is a little big man, you know.
See bug there. See bug there, right there, so. See that? See right over there?
Oh yeah, let me see him.
Look him off. Look him off. Look him off now. Bitch, are you?
Yeah, the real classic sorrel tea.
Sorrel tea.
With ginger, you mean?
With ginger.
So Mokko said sorrel tea good for the red blood cell, cancer. A good vibe.
Yeah, man.
The more program.
Just realize you can't come in program I want just that tasty.
Oh yes. Yeah.
You never had it before, right?
Never have it before. Ooh.
Never come from China. On top of the company, bend to the mic. That's the thing of the paper. Mommy has to eat all.
You know what tune? I did actually buy this tea in a store, but I never pulled it from the box. I just have it in the box. Never tried it before. But this is the real thing. These are the real thing. You know, how can I put it? It tastes exactly like the sorrel that you would drink during Christmas time, except it doesn't have any rum and it's hot. Yeah, but it's the same vibes. So if you like sorrel and you like tea, definitely will like this. What's up? Same one to the pictures. Batch them how they look. Come here, sir.
You see it?
Come look now.
You see it a blink.
See it a blink? Battery's dying.
Battery dying, you have to charge it up, Ratty.
Yeah.
Yeah. We didn't feel like 40.
Where's your teeth?
Nothing of me, I changed teeth. I get no teeth, I have all teeth, me try ya.
Oh gosh. You might try to trick me in hear him now. What if me have laptop? Me have laptop.
Lie. Lie. Want me to play a laptop.
You not make a trick me. You try to trick me. You try to draw me out.
Like you can't do no video like last night. But last night you watch the video, you know.
I saw me
Yeah.
going up.
And the man said, hey, Ratty.
Are you? What? Are you at the mountain massive?
I am mountain massive, wake up nasty in the God. Like something from this business.
Like you?
Like you.
Last cup. Mix up and blender. Like peanut porridge.
Yeah man, the lizard are yummy. You try ya? What's that back when you're dead? Some ya come na. Think Bible. Think about. Think.
Single Bible. SINGLEBI. Alright, so it's like 8:40 in the night. Ratty gone in bed. Ratty couldn't hold out. But me and Mokko did a whole little reason. Still is, but I'm get on a call and things, so just come out yourself, let's go and talk to you a little bit. Temperature, it's a bit chilly. It's a bit chillier than Kingston. You guys can hear that in the background. I mean, at home I have the same type of thing, same cricket sound, but here is a lot more intense. If you're planning to come here, you know, it would be nice if you could bring like something for Ratty to watch, maybe like some movies or stuff. I brought my laptop, which is by chance, because I might not even really use it, but I don't have movies on it. But you know, it's cool. If you come here, just bring some movies so you can, you know, get something to watch. You know, chill out. But right now, it's a great vibe. It has surpassed my expectations. Like, I literally thought that there would be a little bit of, you know, it's, you know, not as easy going to start up, but as I said in previous videos, or even this one, that, you know, it's a great vibe. The people here are great. Mokko is just, yeah, best Airbnb host that I have experienced. Well, the one in Mexico was great, but you know, from a Jamaican perspective, yeah, best. You know, this is so cool. I always wanted to make stickers where I could post them in, like, you know, places that I've been to. I just came into my room and I saw backpacking Simon here in this room, so I'm guessing that he stayed in this room that I'm in right now. So kind of cool. Yeah. So this is my room in the night, pretty much. Bed is quite comfortable and thing. If you're planning to come to Jamaica anytime soon, and you watch Ras Kitchen Channel, don't be afraid to just book the 2 nights here. I think it's a 2-night minimum that you have to take. Don't be afraid. Book it. Come here, experience it, have the food, talk to the man himself. As I said before, humble person, full of jokes, full of character, full of life. And yeah, maybe you would come and stay in the same room that I'm staying in, and that would be cool to know that I was here as well and you're here as well. Yeah, but anyway guys, I'm gonna end this vlog here. Been vlogging for quite a bit today, so remember these 3 things: love, nature, adaptation, and always remember, keep living.